Hey guys, if you are looking for laser projects and videos, I got a special announcement. I published this video not too long ago and I got a little bit of traction, and instead of turning this channel into a laser channel, I decided to break that off onto a separate YouTube channel that's all about the laser, about the K40, how to design, some tips, projects, other kind of laser goodness. So if you're looking for that kind of video content, be sure to check out my new channel, Laser Pop. I'll put a card up here as well as a link in the description. You could also go to laserpoptv.com. That will take you directly to my YouTube channel. You can also check out my website, laser-pop.com. That will also give you access to those videos. So if you're looking for laser goodness and projects, be sure to check out my other video or my other channel. I think you'll really enjoy what's there. That's all I got. Quick announcement. Talk to you later. Bye.